Here we are at the door, 401. And come in. Nice long entrance. Some details there. Here's one of the rooms. It's pretty big. Wall-to-wall, brand new carpeting. Radiator heating. Gorgeous glass Coke bottle windows. Here's one of the closets. You can see how big that is. Here's the kitchen. 4. There's one pantry. Cabinets, stainless steel sink. Window. Gas stove. Refrigerator. Let's walk in here. Here is this gorgeous Art Deco bathroom. Tub and shower, basket weave tile, all the original details. You see that? Here's another closet. Pretty big. A lot of storage in this place. We haven't even gotten to the biggest closet yet. All white tile. Shower. Huge, beautiful tub. Okay, and then let's go and check out this gorgeous closet. Absolutely huge. Look how big that is. Pretty light. You can see how big it is. Plenty of room for all your shoes. And then here's the big room. You can see how big that is. Look how big it is. It's a giant space. And then let's go see the views. It's great light in the afternoon. All the way up and down the street. There you go.